In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom IDs for your Airtable records. We'll set up a simple, reliable formula so every record gets a clean, consistent identifier without any manual typing. Start by opening the base and table where you want the IDs to appear. Add a new field, choose the formula field type, and name it Custom ID so it's easy to spot later. In the formula editor, paste this exact formula, INV and write, 1000 and record ID, 3. Then save the field. Here's what that does behind the scenes. Record ID is a unique code Airtable assigns to every record. The write function grabs the last few characters from a string. By writing write 1000 and record ID 3, we're telling Airtable to take the last 3 characters from that unique code. The 1000 at the beginning is just a little safety pad, so write always has at least 3 characters to pull from. Finally, the INV part at the beginning is your prefix. Think of it as a label that tells you what the ID is for. You can replace INV code with any prefix you want, like ORD, CUST, or TSK, as long as you keep the quotes. Once you save, Airtable will automatically generate a custom ID for every existing record, and it will keep generating one for every new record you add. Because this is a formula field, you don't need to type anything. Airtable calculates it for you. It also means the field is read only, which helps maintain consistency across your base. If you paste the formula and get an error, double check that the field type is set to formula, that you're using straight quotes rather than curly ones, and that the ampersands are in the right places. Small typos are the most common cause of formula errors. From here, you can use your custom ID wherever you need it. Display it in views, include it in printouts, reference it in other formulas, or pass it to integrations and automations. Because it's based on record ID, it stays stable over time, making it a dependable reference in links, emails, or exported CSVs. And that's it. Add a formula field called Custom ID. Use the formula INV and write 1000 and record ID 3. Optionally change the prefix to fit your workflow and let Airtable handle the rest. Your records now have clean, automatic IDs that are easy to scan, sort, and share.